I picked this up from the store and it was like $1.30 something. It's supposed to be 99 cents for the rest of my life. They need to shut that place down. Okay, hey, I got a question for you. Have you learned to read minds yet? I'm just asking. You were telling me that your partner's acting a little weird, they're acting a little different, and I don't think you've spoken to them yet. I'm not trying to come at you, but really listen. People change. That's just the truth. Whether you've been married for 30 years or whether you're newlywed and you're so in love, people will change. Ask someone who's been married for a long time. Ask them. And the thing is, sometimes you have to just ask for a little reassurance. You have to communicate with your partner. But sometimes people are not very forthcoming, and you have to take a look at their words and see if they're lining up with their actions. But realize there's a lot of nuance to this, which is why communication is so key. And then ultimately, at the end of the day, if you're going down this rabbit hole multiple times, you have to think for yourself, am I feeling loved, valued, and safe? And you have to make that decision for yourself. But ultimately, it starts with having that honest conversation, because you can't think your way into a solution. You can't read minds. All right, tell me how this is. I love you, and I'll talk to you later.